Okay, students, now we are in the fourth video lecture of the plastic manufacturing process. So already we have discussed about the injection molding process and then blow molding process and the fault that may occur in the manufacturing process. So in this video, that is on our fourth video lecture, we are going to discuss on the various operations that we can do in the plastic manufacturing. So the main defects that can be found out in the burn mark process problem is and then poor weld line, that is net line, inability of to melt from the net together. Poor weld line problem, material too cold, injection feed too slow, void, that is bubbles, an unfilled space of such size, void problem, injection pressure too low, packing time too short, inefficient feed of material. Then delamination, surface of the finished part separates, a contamination of the resins by the additives of the other, flow lines and folds more visible on the finished item that indicate the direction of the flow. Flow line and fold problem stocks temporary too low, runner too small, excessive warpage and shrinkages. Warpage and shrinkage problem, mold closure time too short, black specks, particles in the surface of an opaque system. Black specks problem, contamination of material, local overheating, brittleness, a tendency of molded part to break, shelter, etc. Brittleness problem, mold temperature too high, inadequate cooling in the gate area, inadequate mold temperature, excessive screw RPM, flash, that is overflow, excessive plastic around the neck area, flash problem. So blister, detect the surface of a molded part caused by the gases. Blister problem, screw RPM too high, black pressure too low, molding temperature too low. Crashing is the fine crack in the part surface may extend in a network over the surface. Creasing, insufficient drying of material. Cracking, fracture of the plastic material is an parts cooled too quickly, molded in stress, wall thickness too heavy for compound, low glass, surface roughness resulting from high speed fill which causes surface working. Low glass problem occurs air entrapment, inadequate flow, resin excessively moist, pigment algorithm. Short, injection of insufficient material to fill the mold. Insufficient feed cushion, inadequate injection pressure, insufficient venting, injection press insufficiently cable. So blow molding is mainly used for manufacturing the bottle items. Extrusion blow molding, injection blow molding, switch blow molding. So the video slide indicates the parts. The portion of hot plastic resin in a tube-like shape is formed. Stretch blow molding performance in the first made with the injection molding and SBM process. Advantages of blow molding: well suited for the low height production rate. Disadvantages in process and material limitations. Applications: blow molding application, milk bottle, pharmaceutical application, antifreeze bottles manufacturing. Rotational molding, more or less it is same type what we are in the blow molding. The die is rotated at a particular speed. The rotation speed is vary with the thickness. Topic: type of machines, current area of use, material characteristics, advantages and disadvantages. Type of machines: rotation molding based on the shuttle machine, clamshell machine, a rock and roll machine. So these are all used to produce balls, buckets, bath depth, etc. Material characteristics: thermal stability is required because of long cycle. Process advantage: tooling of the rotational molding is inexpensive because of the polymer material does not use. Process of advantages: except for corner, the parts have uniform wall thickness. By using the insulation of the some section of the mold, thinner wall thickness can be produced. Because of the material has to main disadvantage, the warpage of the pot can occur if the mold is not cooled. So if you have any specific doubt on this topic what we have discussed today, you can raise the questions. Future development: since the cooling is currently done on the outside of the mold, so the reference book are indicated here for your study. Stretch blow molding. Stretch blow molding is the process on which stretching is done on before blowing. The stretch blow molding method: injection stretch blowing, extrusion stretch blowing, pet form injection molding is the first station upon the proper. So PET bottles are manufactured with this help of this machine. Any questions? Any questions?